So this one we got from our local H Mart. As you can see, it takes all the guesswork out. It's already growing. The only bad thing about this is we don't know whether this is, it says self-pollinating, but we don't know if it'll bloom twice or just once. So we're gonna plant it probably either right here or maybe on this side. I think this side would probably be better. I'm gonna plant it right here. Now that gives us enough room with our blackberries and our raspberries both to grow out. So let's start digging this up and see where we got roots and where we can plant it. All right, we got a nice little hole dug here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some of our potting mix down on the bottom, so that way we can fill this hole, give it a nice room for expansion. I'll get rid of some of this. All right, add a little more. All right, now let's cover up the sides. And like before, I'm going to inspect the roots. It's nice and soggy in here. That's a good sign. That's getting lots of water. Set it like that. And we need more dirt. Alright, we'll fill it up over there a little bit right there. And now that we got it planted, we're just going to add a little more of the clay dirt from here around here and just kind of fill it in a little bit. But that's pretty much it. And that's it. Now all we need to do is give this thing a water and we'll be all done. So now here in North Carolina, we are expecting rain over the next couple of days. So I don't want to give this thing, I don't want to waterlog it. I just want to kind of get the soil to settle in and be good. So we're not going to give it too much water. We're just going to get it like that. And we'll get our blackberry bush while we're here. And you know what? Let's get the dormant one that's not growing too. All right. That should help settle the soil enough. Over the next couple of days, it's going to rain. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully next year we'll have some nice big bushes and we'll get some great berries out of them. And maybe that one will grow too. Who knows? Lesson learned. Don't buy from a big box store. Mass selling them, right? Go figure. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. And as always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.